How to use the HP Cloud Recovery tool in Windows 11. If you need to recover your HP notebook, the HP Cloud Recovery tool allows you to download recovery software to a USB drive. Currently, the tool supports consumer PCs manufactured in 2016 and later. Earlier model computers are being added on an ongoing basis. Step 1. Prepare for the recovery. Before you begin a system recovery, here are a few things you should be aware of. The recovery process takes between 1 and 4 hours depending on the network and USB flash drive used. Your computer must have an active wireless or Ethernet network connection. Your computer must be plugged into a power supply. Do not disconnect from power during the process to avoid a recovery failure. A blank USB drive with a minimum of 32 GB of available space is required. Your computer must have a minimum of 20 GB of free disk space on the Windows partition. Do not use an external hard drive. The tool does not work when downloaded to an external hard drive. Step 2. Download and install the HP Cloud Recovery tool. Note: the HP Cloud Recovery tool can only be downloaded and installed on the 64-bit version of Windows. Go to the Microsoft Store and search for HP Cloud Recovery tool. Once you have found the tool, select the option to download it. Step 3. Run the HP Cloud Recovery tool. Insert the blank USB flash drive into the computer. Search for Cloud Recovery. Right-click the HP Cloud Recovery tool and then select Run as Administrator. If a message appears asking to make changes to your device, click Yes to continue. On the welcome screen, click Next to continue. When the Cloud Recovery tool detects the information for your device, click Next. Note: if you are downloading the recovery media on a different computer than the computer you want to recover, select the I need to enter product ID for my HP system checkbox to type the correct information. If the product ID is not a match or invalid error message is displayed, your computer is not yet available for the HP Cloud Recovery tool. Select your USB flash drive from the drop-down list and then click Next. An alert that all information on the USB flash drive will be permanently deleted is displayed. Click OK to continue. Note: if the recovery USB flash drive is ready and a "Do you want to delete the downloaded temporary files to save space in the drive" message is displayed, click Accept to continue. To finish the download and close the app, click Finish. Step 4. Performing an HP system recovery with your USB drive. Turn on the computer and insert the USB flash drive into a USB port. Turn off the computer by pressing and holding the power button. Disconnect all peripheral devices except for the monitor, keyboard, mouse, and power cord. Remove any media from internal drives and remove any recently added internal hardware. Turn on the computer and use booting options to boot from the USB drive. Then follow the on-screen prompts to complete the recovery. Click the Playlists tab in YouTube to find HP videos in other languages, and search our channel to find official HP support videos.